Basically, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a subscription service where they send you one of these boxes every month, and it's like $21 or it's like $116 for 6 months, and then for a year, I'm not exactly sure how much it is, but yeah, so it's supposed to be like over $100 retail value in every one of these boxes, but you're only getting it for like $21 a month, so you're getting a really good deal, and it's fun because if you don't look, then you don't know what you're getting, and I don't know, it's interesting, and I really like Boxycharm, and I would definitely recommend it. I'm actually really excited for this month. Here we go. Alright, this theme for this month is Afterglow. So here is the first thing, and this came in everyone's box this month, and this is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. It's like no problem, no problem. You get it. Smooth and pore covering primer, and I think this is gonna be really cool. Oh, I thought it was like a dropper. Okay, this is like a squirt bottle. I think I'm really gonna like this because I like these types of primers. It doesn't really like have a crazy smell. Yeah, it seems nice. It seems like kind of moisturizing, which I have oily skin, but we'll have to see how it works. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. This retails for $18, so. Okay, the next thing that I got was the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I'm actually like running out of cleansers, so I guess it's cool that I got this. Also, all the things in Boxycharm are full size. This retails for $22. This says it soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acid, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. I can't really smell it. Oh, that's definitely because there's a seal. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like lavender. Next, so this I'm actually like, I'm not that excited about it because I didn't really like want this, but this is the Trustique. I don't know how exactly you say it, but this retails for $25, and it's, I guess, a 2-in-1 lip duo. So it looks like this. So we got the pencil side, which that's not the actual pencil, but then there's also a primer. So this is what the primer is. So that's cool because I don't like have anything like that. And then the other side is the lip pencil type thing. Not really a shade that I'm super interested in. It seems to be nice. It's not like super duper pigmented, so this is cool, but I don't see myself really using this that much. It says it's a 2-in-1 lip duo that features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny colored glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft shiny color. So it's like more like a balm, but like a pigmented balm, if that makes any sense. The next thing is another thing that everyone got in their box, which is the Too Faced BTS mascara. This is my favorite mascara, and if you don't know, this is like $20 just by itself, and the whole box is like $21. So that's like, you should get this box just for this because it's my favorite one, and this is like probably my 5th one of these, and I've gone through all of my other ones and I just haven't had it for a while, so I'm really glad to get back into it. I love the wand. I love everything about this mascara, so I'm so glad that this came in the box. Retails for $24, and it says indulgent mascara that actually lives up to its name. The Too Faced BTS mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes into a perfect curl. That was really confusing, but it's a great mascara, so I recommend. And the very last thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar highlighter. This one is in the shade Shimmering Swan, and it looks like this. I think the packaging is really cute. It's a pretty shade too. I like this shade. Ooh, that is really pretty. It looks like it's gonna be like, I don't know, it looks like it's more subtle, but like it's really pretty. I like the shade a lot. This is $32, and it says allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow loving, light reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give you the skin give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Anyway, that is all of the things that I got in my box.